Have you ever felt it? That quiet sense that something isn't quite right, that the world is moving faster, yet becoming emptier. You are not imagining it. You are feeling the weight of a cycle coming to its end. The divisions in our societies, the reckless treatment of the earth, the widening disconnect between humanity and the forces that sustain it. These are not random. They are signs of a transition, an inevitable shift in the great rhythm of existence. Cycles cannot be stopped. They move with or without our consent. But those who recognize them can prepare. They can stand at the threshold, not in fear, but in awareness, ready to shape what comes next. There is a movement, not an institution, not a doctrine, but an understanding. A return to something ancient. Oldism is not a belief, it is an alignment, a way to walk in step with the universal cycles, to live with intent, and to shape the world rather than be shaped by it. It does not demand blind faith, nor does it require submission. It asks only that you recognize your place in the flow of existence, that you remember. Right now the signs are clear. The earth strains beneath our weight. The systems that once held society together unravel. Conflict spreads like fire, and still so many look away, pretending the cycle is not closing. The old world is fading. Something new is coming. The question is, will you be prepared? Not all will see what is happening. Not all will hear the call. But among us, there are 144,000 who will step forward, not to follow, not to resist, but to transform. These are the ones who will anchor the shift, who will gather in one place, and through the teachings of Netism, change the vibrational state of this planet. They will become the bridge between cycles, ensuring that the wisdom of the dying age is not lost, but carried forward into the next. By living and loving within a true community, by aligning with the rhythms of existence, they will restore the harmony that has been forgotten. And in doing so, they will rewrite what is to come. The threads of the net are stirring, and those who are ready will hear its call. We do not seek to stop what is coming. We do not resist the cycle. We align with it, understand it, and build what comes next. It is a return to an unshakable truth that life must be lived in harmony with the cycles that govern all things. We are building a foundation for those who see beyond the illusions of division, a sanctuary where work and purpose align, where the wisdom of cycles is woven into daily life, a living space where existence itself is honored. We seek the 144,000, those whose hands, minds, and spirits resonate with this path, to restore a new way of being, guided by the principles of unity, awareness, and balance. The net has always been there. You have always been part of it. You have felt its pull in the quiet moments, in the longing for something more. The cycle will turn, as it always has. But what comes next is still unwritten. That choice remains yours. And when you are ready, you will find us, and we will build together.